G'day, Michael from the Generator Place here. So we're now on to our fourth test for the morning, and that's the Westinghouse i2500. Now, unlike the Honda at 121cc's, the Rado 122cc's, this unit has a 98cc unit, so it's slightly bigger than the Yamaha at only 79cc's, but let's see how the 98cc engine performs. Let's start it up. Okay, so that's the Westinghouse up and running on eco throttle at quarter load or under quarter load with just the same three appliances again, the angle fridge, the bar fridge, and the air conditioner on fan. So let's check the wattage. So once again, sitting at just under the 160 watts. Let's check the decibels. So close enough to 56 decibels with the Westinghouse. Now, similar to what we've done before, let's throw the air conditioner on and get it at over a half load. Okay, so that's the Westinghouse with the air conditioner up and running. Let's have a look at the wattage. So that's 1300 watts running. And as you can hear, it really sounds like it's working hard. Decibels at 65. So, well and truly, I think our loudest this morning. So, let's do the next test and throw on the toaster, and let's see if the Westinghouse is capable of running the toaster at the same time. So that is 2050 watts. So that's 150 watts under what it's rated at. And let's check the decibels. So just over 68 decibels. Okay, so we've turned off the toaster. Now let's throw the microwave on and let's see what happens when the unit overloads. Okay, so that's now 2,440, and there you go. Without any hesitation, the unit has overloaded as it wasn't able to hold that load, which is fair enough. It was over 2,400 watts and is rated at 22. But as you can see, the smaller engine at that higher wattage really worked hard, and it was sitting at that 68 decibels. That's a lot louder than any of the previous units. So that's how the Westinghouse performed.